Hi friends, I'm Sam with Happily Hooked and welcome to episode 5 of Happily Hooked on Yarn. Alright, today we're going to be working with Woolies Thick and Quick and Paintbox Wool Mix yarns in Chunky. I'm so excited. This one's a 5 and this one's a 6, so we're working with Chunky yarn today.
And make sure you guys do click on the like, subscribe, and the bell if you're on YouTube to make sure you get notifications.
All of the information for both of these yarns is going to be in the description below, so make sure you check that out. And it's also got all the information for our social media, so make sure you go follow us. Alright, so let's swatch them, wash them up, and see what happens. Alright, so this is our Woolies Thick and Quick. I got a bonus bundle here. This is oatmeal. It says machine wash and dryable. This is a super bulky, so this is a 6. It recommends a 9mm hook. And then this is 82% acrylic, 10% wool, and 8% rayon. 12 ounces, so it's 212 yards. I love the Thick and Quick. I use it a lot for my beanies and stuff. They have the Woolies and then they have just the regular Thick and Quick. But I like how squishy it is and it makes really nice chunky beanies. And then we have the Paintbox yarn, the Wool Mix Chunky. This one's machine washable on wool gentle cycle with like colors. Do not tumble dry. You know we're gonna tumble dry it. Recommends a 7mm hook. And then it is 50% wool, 50% acrylic. It's 100 grams and 109 yards, so this is smaller, but this is a bulky. It's a size 5. This one's from Love Crafts, or I go to lovecrochet.com or loveknitting.com. It's where I normally get this from. I like this one too. It's really, for being a wool, it's especially at a 50% wool, it is really soft. Alright, so let's see if we can find the inside of this one. Alright, that wasn't so bad. Alright. And then we've got our 9mm hook for this. Alright, and there is our little swatch that we'll do for this one. So you know with the chunky yarn we normally don't have to make a really big swatch because we can see it when we wash it. So there is that one. Alright, and let's do our paint box. So we've got our 7mm hook here. And then there is our swatch for the paint box yarn. There is quite a bit of difference between the super bulky and the bulky. But yeah, so we'll wash these, dry them, and see what happens. Alright, so this is the Line Brand Woolies Thick and Quick. This did just fine. I've never had an issue with this in the washer before. It actually gets a little bit softer, a little bit bendier. But yeah, this looks great. Didn't split or anything. This one, the paint box, it did say not to dry it. It probably shrank a little bit. Looks like it shrank a little bit. But, I mean, it got really, really soft. So, I don't know what that says about if you should dry it or not. I probably still wouldn't dry it. Probably wash it and then just let it lay flat to dry. Because it does seem a little bit tighter, especially around like the turning chain and everything. But it's soft. Oh goodness, it's soft. So that's exciting. I just probably wouldn't, like I said, dry it, especially if you made a blanket or something, because that blanket's probably going to get way small. Because yeah, before it fit into this last part and now it's not. So, well, at least it was closer, probably. I believe so. I might be wrong too, but yeah. So there we go on both of those. Alright, so the difference between the paint box and the Woolies, I'm going to go with the Thick and Quick, the Woolies Thick and Quick as my winner. I love the colors that the paint box comes in. It comes in a ton of them. It is really soft, especially for being a 50-50 blend. But I like to dry my things. I like them to be fast, so I can just wash and wear them. But I don't know. I like the versatility of this one because it's got so many different colors, but I do love how soft and squishy and chunky this one is. So yeah, so the Thick and Quick's gonna be my winner, but make sure you guys test them out too, just in case you guys have a different opinion. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna go with. Alright, so that's it for this week. I am so excited to be back here with you guys next week, so make sure in the comments below you let me know what kind of yarns you want me to review, and like and subscribe and hit that bell for notifications, and I'll see you back here next week. Bye guys!